Several supporters of Apollo Kibuloy are now facing sedition complaints. Here's a report.
The pre-trial for the charges filed against Apollo Kibuloy was held on Thursday. Among those in attendance was Kibuloy's lawyer, Israelito Torion. Torion said their request for hospital arrest was denied by Pasig RTC Branch 159. In their motion, they claimed that the pastor had existing medical conditions and that he was having a hard time at the PNP Custodial Center. The court, though, allowed Kibuloy to visit a doctor or be hospitalized if needed. It also granted Kibuloy's petition to attend hearings online. As for the Senate's request to allow Kibuloy to attend its hearing on October 23, Torion said they have already filed a motion with the court against it.
That is his right against self-incrimination. The cases are now in court. If you read standard chartered case, and even Senator Santiago argued that since the cases are now in court, the accused can altogether refuse to take the witness stand.
Meanwhile, the PNP filed sedition complaints against Torion, SMNI host Lorraine Badoy and Jeffrey Celis, and other supporters of Kibuloy. PNP CIDG Chief Brigadier General Nicolas Torres said they committed sedition during the serving of the warrants of arrest against Kibuloy. Sedition refers to incitement of resistance or insurrection against lawful authority.
Ang mga in-allege namin doon, ang kanilang mga ginawa, like calling on the people to rise against the government, to prevent the police from serving the warrant of arrest, and many others.
Torion said he was not surprised by the cases filed against them.
General Torre has been threatening us even after the series. I was even at a loss as to where did I utter words that would incite to sedition. I was just defending my client.
Sabi pa niya ni Attorney Torion, the audacity to file, di ba?
Ano ba yung kine-claim nila? May sinabi ba si Attorney Torion on air na wag sumunod? Hindi ko alam. Sa SMNI ba nangyari? Kasi hindi ko alam yung...
Pero di ba kasi parang ang nangyayari, the whole saga nung nandoon sila, yung PNP sa KOJC compound, parang napipigilan silang pumasok sa loob ng compound at para maghanap kahit na sila ay may warrant.
May ibang case yun, pero I'm
yung sedition.
Yung sedition. Kasi sedition is parang you're inciting people to rebel against the government, di ba? So, I'm just wondering at what point did he call on that? I know, definitely, meron siyang yung ang tawag doon, obstruction of justice because the police are trying to do their jobs.
Pero hindi pinapayagan.
Ang daming physically also, hindi pinapayagan.
Yes.
May mga human barricade, ng babato, di ba? May nandudura, may nagbato pa daw ng feces.
Oo, ano rin naman ano rin naman itong kampo nila Pastor Apollo Kibuloy nung umattend ako ng press con ng PNP tsaka ng DILG nung nahuli si Pastor Apollo Kibuloy. Pinresent din nila doon yung all the cases na tawag dito sinampa final ng kampo nila sa PNP. So magsampahan kayong dalawa dyan.
Basta at least right
Pero
now.
ito, yung request ng camp ni Pastor Apollo Kibuloy sa korte na pagbigyan sila ng hospital arrest ay denied. Although pinagbigyan naman siya na tawag dito, kung kailangan mo-hospital, edi hospital, pero hindi, he will still remain.
And the PNP doctor will decide whether qualified daw siya, di ba? So, ganun daw mangyayari. May aggravating circumstance nagtago ka
And ngayon din, meron din silang final, itong camp ni Kibuloy, na pinipigilan din, di ba, yung request ng Senate na umattend sila sa Senate hearing. Kasi yun nga, yung pinag-uusapan din natin dito the other day na ano pang sasabihin niya doon, may mga kaso na siya. The same statement na sinabi rin nila Alice Go, di ba, during the Senate hearing.
Okay?